Hi, today we would like to present about water quality experiment. My group member is Nur Syafiqah Syuhada, Nur Natra, Wan Aimi Nabila, and lastly Nur Anis Sabrina. So let's go! What is water quality? Let me explain. Water quality can be defined as the chemical, physical, and biological characteristic of water. It usually in respect to its suitability for designed use. Water can be used for recreation, drinking, fishing, and agriculture or industry. So, each of these designed use has a different defined chemical, physical, biological standard necessary to support that use. Alright, let's move to the objective of this experiment. In this experiment, we have three objectives. The firstly is to propose the significant physical water quality parameter to measure the effectiveness of the designed water purification system. Secondly, to analyze data and to interpret the result of the water quality experiment. And lastly, to work as a team in organizing and carry out experiment and in the preparation of technical report and presentation. Alright, let's go to the apparatus that we use in this water quality experiments. Firstly, that we need to prepare is synthetic water, carton pack, coarse aggregate, fine aggregate, and lastly is sand. Alright, this video will show you the procedure how to conduct the water quality experiment.
So far, cut the top of the bottle around 1 cm. Okay, next, mark of the bottle, which mean you want to every single item. Okay, done. Okay, so the next step, we put a cotton pad in the bottle. Okay. Okay, after put a cotton pad, we put a coarse aggregate around 8 cm. Okay, then we put a fine aggregate around 3 cm. We will put at the empty bottle, and then don't forget to open the cap. Okay, open the cap, put at the empty bottle, and then let's do the experiment. This is about 1 liter of tea. Bismillah. Okay, now we will wait until the water drop. Or maybe you will not see the water. Let me show you this one, like this. So we still wait for the water drop. So now the water drop at the cotton pad. Yeah, if you see. Okay, the water start going down. Okay, now we add more. Okay, this is original color. Then we will see the result of the color. The smell so good. It's not really high, the smell. You see, this is the color. The water is dropped is very, very, very slowly. You see, I will compare the colors. Okay, this is the current situation. The water are dropped almost the half of 1.5 liter, and this is the maybe the last drop of tea water. And after that, we will see the parameters, which is we are looking forward for color, turbidity, odors. So yeah, let's go. Okay, empty. Okay. So we will wait until the water are totally throughout the water purification system. So after that, we will observe the parameter. You can see from the nearest, this is water, and there have a tea leaf. Then we will also do the same fine aggregate, coarse aggregate, and also to the water. So here, the water here. Slowly. Okay.
First, we need to put 1 teaspoon of a tea leaf into this 1 liter of water. Then, we mix this mixture using the root until the mixture is well. I'm using this 1.5 liter of bottle. Then I label it into a layer. First thing first, we need to cut off the bottoms of the bottle. Second step, I place the cotton pads of 4 cm inside the bottle as the first layer. Step, I place of coarse aggregate into 5 cm inside the bottle. Over the coarse aggregate, the fourth step, I need to put fine aggregates inside the bottle until 6 cm. Final step, I'm using a sand as a final layer of 6 cm. And for filter C, firstly,
label, and measure the bottle. Place the cotton pad about 5 cm of depth. Next, place the coarse aggregate about 2 cm. Then, place 7 cm of the fine aggregate. And lastly, followed by 7 cm of sand. For water filter testing, prepare a bottle under the water filter. Pour the synthetic water into the filter bottle. Then, wait until all the synthetic water out into the bottle. And then, wait about a few minutes in ideal condition before observe the condition of the synthetic water. And lastly, measure the depth and observe the turbidity, color, and the smell of the water. Record the result.
The result of this water quality experiment is based on 5 different parameters of material that have been used to measure the effectiveness of the water purification system. Alright, in this water quality experiment, we measure the parameter that volume, turbidity, color, odor, and suspended solid. Alright, in this water quality experiments, the volume of 3 filter is reducing from the before, and then the turbidity is changed at the filter A, which is before is high and the after is medium. For the filter B and C, it maintain high for the turbidity. Alright, for the color, for the 3 both of filter is no change the color. It's same like before, which is brownish color. Alright, and then the next parameter that we measure in this water quality is odor. The filter A and C is no change for the odor, and then for the filter B, it show the before is medium and the after is low. And lastly is suspended solid. For the 3 both of the filter, it show before is high suspended solid, and then after the experiment we conduct, it show that the filter A is still high suspended solid, and B and C is show that suspended solid in low condition. Alright, in the screen it show you the condition before and after we conduct the water quality. So we have the 4 scale that can be referred to the result, which is turbidity, color, odor, and suspended solid. Alright, let's move to the conclusion. This experiment achieved the objective of this project, which are to propose the significant physical water quality parameter to measure the effectiveness of the designed water purification system. Based on our observation, the water sample is not suitable for drinking water. It because the water notes change purely based on the physical parameter that we tested. Alright, from the result obtained, the material that we use in filtration is necessary to filter the synthetic water sample. The study of water purification system to all the 3 filters does not change our color and odor. So, we realize that a successful water quality test upon proper preparation of water sample tested.